Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Cheryl Kibo from Bayanan, Muntinlupa City, Philippines. I am 43 years old. I'm married. I have 4 daughters, ages 21, 17, 15, and 6 years old. I am high school graduate. My work experience as domestic helper was in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I served 8 members of the family. 3 kids, ages 9 years old boy, 10 years old boy, and 14 years old girl. And 3 adults, ages 25 years old boy, 28 years old boy, and 35 years old girl. And 2 elderly, the parents of my employer. Ages 71 years old, the mother, and 73 years old, the father. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning house, cooking, preparing food, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, washing car, and tutoring. To my future employer, choose me as your helper. I am honest, loyal, kind, trustworthy, loving kids, and I treat your kids as my own kids. I work in Hong Kong to give my family better life and future. I hope you will find me suitable to work with your family, and I promise I'll do my very best. Ma'am and sir, thank you very much, and God bless to your family.